In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or edit a trade in Tradingview. First, open your chart. Everything we're about to do happens from the trading panel at the bottom of the chart. If you don't see it, look along the bottom edge of your screen. That panel holds the key sections you'll use most, especially the Positions and Orders tabs. Positions shows trades that are currently active, while Orders shows pending instructions that haven't filled yet. Knowing which tab you need helps you take the right action. To cancel a trade using the panel, go to either the Positions or Orders tab and find the specific trade or order you want to remove. Click the X button next to it. That X is the quick way to stop the trade from continuing if it's active, or to remove a pending order before it fills. If you prefer working directly from your chart, you can also cancel right on the price graph. Locate the order line on the chart. It's the horizontal line that marks where your trade or order sits, and right-click it. From the menu that appears, select Cancel. This is especially convenient if you are visually managing multiple levels and want to act where you see the price. To edit a trade, stay in that same trading panel. In the Positions or Orders tab, click the pencil icon next to the trade you want to change. This opens Modify Order, where you can adjust the price, change the quantity, or add stop loss and take profit levels, so your risk and targets are clearly defined. Make sure the symbol and order type are correct before you make changes, and adjust the values to match your plan. If you like a more hands-on approach, you can also edit directly on the chart by dragging the order line to a new price level. This method is fast and intuitive, and it helps you align levels with visible support, resistance, or key zones on the chart. That's it. Thanks for watching.